Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to install and use the ViewStats Chrome extension in just a few simple steps. If you want to analyze YouTube channel, view estimated view video performance, so let's get started. Firstly, open Chrome Web Store. Now in the search bar, you can search for ViewStats. Enter. Here you will see the first one. Then click on Add to Chrome. Then Add Extension. Once the extension is installed, click on the puzzle icon and mark it as pin. Now open your YouTube and select a channel. Here you will see view stats icon. You can just simply select any of the video. Here you will ask for login or sign up. Login. Continue with Google. Here you will see view stats will login automatically. Now refresh the page. Hey everyone, welcome back to here you will see it will show you the detail like max 24 hour 1 week 28 days. You can click on more video details. It will show you the detailed the total views, likes, comments, visit per hour, projection. You can see all the details easily like channel ethics. It will show you the detailed like I'm selecting another one, this one. Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. Now here you will see view stats, view, compare. You can compare with your competitors. You can also check rankings and overview of the channel and the total views. That's how you can use the ViewStats Chrome extension. It is a useful tool for YouTube creator who want to research channels, explore video performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.